Good morning, students. In the previous lecture, we studied chapter 12, that is present tense. So, what is present tense? The work that you do regularly, okay, or the work that you do regular tells us about the present tense. Now, see, for things that stay the same for a long time. So, the things that stay for the long time also tells us about the present tense. For example, my uncle works in a bank. मेरे अंकल बैंक में काम करते हैं. It represents present time. They live in Mumbai. Everybody likes him. So these sentences stay for a long time. It tells us about the present tense. Okay. Now see present continuous. The present continuous tense is formed with am, is, are plus present participle, means ing form. Okay, so in present continuous, the helping verbs are is, am, are. Or in present continuous, we use is, am, are plus present participle. We use this tense, excuse me. We use this tense to talk about things which are happening now. So, this tense is used for the things that are happening now, जो अभी हो रहा है. Okay, that is present continuous. Now, see the example. I am working. It is present continuous. मैं अभी काम कर रहा हूँ. That is present and that is continuous. We are working. You are working. They are working. So, am always used with I and are used with we, you, they, means with plural form. Okay. He is singular. So, he is working. वो अभी काम कर रहा है. She is working. It is working. Okay, so these represent present continuous or tells us about the present continuous tense because it is happening now. See, I am reading now. मैं अभी पढ़ रहा हूँ. That is present continuous. The birds are building a nest. The birds are building a nest. So the birds are building the nest now. Okay, that's why it is present continuous. The phone is ringing. Will you answer it? Look, the bus is coming. Bus आ रही है. That is present continuous. The children are playing. बच्चे खेल रहे हैं. The children are playing. It is also present continuous tense. You have to do exercise 2 in your book. Now see. Present perfect. We use the present perfect tense for actions in the past when we are not thinking or talking about the exact time that they took place. So, present perfect used for the action that happened in the past, but we are not talking or thinking about the exact time, or we are not telling about the time. There may be results now, but it results now, but we are not telling the time. This tense links the past with the present in some way. Now see, I have worked. We have worked. You have worked. They have worked. This is present perfect. Means here we are not telling the time. Okay? He has worked. She has worked. It has worked. This is also present perfect. Why? Because it happened in the past but not telling the time. See more examples. Mr. Singh has gone to Kolkata means he is not here now. I have lost my identity card means I don't have it now. I have finished with the newspaper. You can take it. We have bought a new car means we have a new car now. So these are present perfect tense. Okay. Where have you been? Now see the difference or compare the two columns. Present perfect tense. The present perfect is used with the time is when the time is not specific. So present perfect is used but the time is not specific means we're not telling about the time. I have seen that beach already. We don't know when. Okay, means I have seen that beach but we don't know when means we are not telling about the time, that is present perfect tense. Now see past simple tense. The simple past is used when the time is clear. So simple past is used when we are talking about the time. For example, I saw that beach on Thursday. Thursday here is time. That's why it is simple past. We know exactly when we are telling about the time, that is simple past, and when we are not telling about the time, that is present perfect. Okay, and present perfect tense we use we. Sorry, I have we use have with I, and here for past we use we too, that is saw. Okay,